Siya sa isip ko, si Dan kasi, sabi niya, mag-enjoy ka lang ha, take your time. So, yun, naisip ko tuloy, yun, Burnside, shopping. Hindi ko na naisip yung aking laundry. It felt good actually. I didn't go crazy. Akala ko I would go crazy with shopping. I didn't. I did good. As usual. I'm good. Nung mga Wednesday ata yun, sabi kasi ni Dan, punta ka ng shops sa linggo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Huwag mong dalhin ng mga bata. Just relax. Kasi na-witness niya na sobrang exhausted na tayo lately. But Indy's getting better actually. Kasi feeling ko isa na lang yung papalabas. So, hindi na siguro siya ganun kasakit. So, kahapon I was gonna change my mind. I was like, hindi ko na kailangan mag-me time. Okay na ako kasi nga sa hindi okay na. But then Dan said, no, go. Naplano na natin yan. And then yeah, he's really good. Sabi niya, take your time. Don't think about the kids. They're fine. Plus now, I'm not even gone for a long time. Like, I left just before 10. And ngayon, 1:20 pa lang. Tapos na kasi ako. Ano yung gagawin ko dun? Anyhow, minsan kailangan talaga mag-me time.